Hello and welcome back to my channel, Let's Learn English. In this video, you will learn real English phrases that will make you sound more fluent and natural. If you want to speak like native speakers, not the textbooks, watch this video. I'm sorry. My apologies. My apologies. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Pardon me. Pardon me. I messed up. I messed up. How are you? How is it going? How is it going? How have you been? How have you been? What's up? What's up? How is everything? How is everything? Now let's see how to reply. I'm fine. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. All good. All good. Can't complain. Can't complain. I'm all right, thanks. I'm all right, thanks. Just great. Just great. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Many thanks. Many thanks. Cheers. Cheers. Now let's see how to reply. You're welcome. No problem. No problem. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Anytime. Anytime. Happy to help. Happy to help. I don't know. Not sure. Not sure. I've no idea. I've no idea. Beats me. Beats me. I'm clueless. I'm clueless. I understand. Got it. Got it. Makes sense. Makes sense. I see. I see. I get what you mean. I get what you mean. I don't understand. I'm confused. I'm confused. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? Good job. Well done. Well done. Nice work. Nice work. Great effort. Great effort. You nailed it. You nailed it. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm beat. I'm beat. I could use a rest. I could use a rest. I'm running on empty. I'm running on empty. Let's go. Time to move. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. Let's get going. Let's get going. Shall we? Shall we? I'm hungry. I could eat. I could eat. I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm famished. I'm famished. Let's grab a bite. Let's grab a bite. Be quiet. Keep it down. Keep it down. Hush. Hush. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. Zip it. Zip it. Wait a minute. Hang on. Hang on. Just a sec. Just a sec. Just a moment. Just a moment. Hold up. Hold up. I agree. Exactly. Exactly. You're right. You're right. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. That's true. That's true. Calm down. Take it easy. Take it easy. Relax. Relax. Chill out. Chill out. Don't stress. Don't stress. Hurry up. Step on the gas. Step on the gas. Come on. Come on. Gotta move on. Gotta move on. Move it. Move it. I'm busy. I'm tied up. I'm tied up. I've got a lot on my plate. I've got a lot on my plate. I'm swamped. I'm swamped. I'm in the middle of something. I'm in the middle of something. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm frightened. I'm frightened. This freaks me out. This freaks me out. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm happy. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. I'm on cloud nine. I'm on cloud nine. I'm angry. I'm boiling mad. I'm boiling mad. I'm hot under the collar. I'm hot under the collar. I'm ticked off. I'm ticked off. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. I'm bored. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I'm stuck in a rut. I'm stuck in a rut. I'm over this. I'm over this. I'm bored stiff. I'm bored stiff. I'm surprised. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I'm astonished. I'm astonished. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. That's funny. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. You cracked me up. You cracked me up. That's a good one. That's a good one. That gave me a good chuckle. That gave me a good chuckle. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Catch you later. Catch you later. Bye for now. Bye for now.